everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm really excited to do a sit-down traditional haul with you guys. It's been so long since I've done a haul. It's been so long really since I've sat down and filmed anything. So we're going to be doing a traditional Forever 21 haul today. I'm really excited. I got some really good deals. I did this online when they had their most recent 50% off sale. So everything that was already on sale was an extra 50% off. And I grabbed a ton of stuff and it was all ridiculously cheap. I also have gotten really into Poshmark lately. I fell off for a little while, but I came back and I posted a bunch of stuff on Poshmark. So if you guys, you already know what Poshmark is, I'm sure, but if you don't, it's an app where you can buy and sell clothes, shoes, whatever, accessories, and it's really nice. I actually recently added a bunch of stuff to my Poshmark, and I'm going to be adding more stuff, but you guys know the Freddie jeans that I'm so obsessed with. I'm actually selling almost all of mine on Poshmark. I have some really, really nice ones, and I'm telling you, they've all been worn either 0 times or 1 time. So I just wanted to show you a few of the things that I do have listed, and then I also have another black pair. I've got some shoes on there. I've got tons of stuff listed on my Poshmark that you guys can buy, and I'm going to be posting more. So I'll just leave the link down below where you can sign up for Poshmark and then go to my closet and stuff. It's just my name, Kelsey Alfred. So that you guys can check that out, and you can sell your stuff on there to make money as well, and then buy stuff, and it's just I love it. I've finally been using it, so I've finally been making some money because I just stopped using it for a while. But now that I am back on it, I'm selling some stuff, so I figured maybe you guys would be interested in buying some of it, because every time I shop like this, I usually sell a bunch of stuff, of my old stuff, to get rid of. So that's going to happen soon. Poshmark's one of my favorite apps ever. I use it to get all of my Lululemon leggings. All of them, every single pair I own, I got off Poshmark. So I'm going to leave a link down below so you can create your own closet, you can make your own closet, sell your own stuff, as well as you can search me up on there, look at my closet, buy my stuff, and buy stuff from other people as well. So let's get into the haul. So, oh my gosh. So I got so many pairs of jeans from Forever 21, you guys, and these were $11. These are, I almost wish I had the tags on them so I could tell you exactly what they were. Yeah, it doesn't tell you, does it? It says Tive Adida Birla Fashion and Retail Limited. What? Gosh, it doesn't even say what they are, but these are the high rise and they're super stretchy. If I can find any of this stuff, I will leave it down below, and I'm sure I can find it because I'll go look up my online receipt and I'll look up the exact one. So I'll leave them all linked in the description, but these jeans are so nice, and the fact that I got them for $11, they're one of the only pairs of jeans that doesn't make my butt look flat. I posted a picture on Instagram wearing them. I absolutely love them. I also got them in this light denim. This is the same exact pair. Again, super, super stretchy. And they're just regular high-waisted skinny jeans. And they've just got the most stretchy denim ever. It's not see-through at all. It's just very good quality, thick but stretchy denim, which I really appreciate. And then some of them do have the tags on. So see how these are originally $17.90? I got these for $6. These are the Sunset mid-rise skinny jeans. $6, you guys. That's not a lie. That is not a joke. So these are kind of a classic denim as well, but I feel maybe a little bit of a lighter blue. And they just come down to a regular skinny jean as well. And these are just mid-rise. They're still pretty high-rise, just not wicked high-rise. These probably come right to the bottom of your belly button, which, to be honest with you, it cuts right in where you need it to cut in. You know what I mean? So I also got that exact pair of jeans in a light denim as well. And then these were also $6. These are the Fairfax Crop High Rise Skinny, originally $17.90. By the way, I believe all of mine are in a size 26. They might be different because with Forever 21, I just go by the reviews. I think most of them are 26 though. So these I got for $6 as well. Again, they're that super light denim, and these ones actually come down and they've got that destroyed end to them. I will be honest with you, this isn't the most flattering color on me. I don't know, it's just not that super light wash, baby blue kind of thing. It's not the most flattering color on me, but don't care, I still gonna wear it. The last pair of jeans that I have here are the American Bozzy style skinny high rise. These are a size 5. And these are a pair of ripped denim jeans. and they're super high-waisted. They're actually really stretchy. You have to be so careful, and they're cuffed on the bottom. You have to be so careful with Forever 21 jeans because a lot of the times they're like no stretch, like they're pure cotton, regular denim jeans that don't fit right at all. I always check, always make sure there's at least 1% spandex in there or something to make it stretchy, or polyester or something, because I mean I can't do jeans that are not stretched. And these were $11. I got 2 of the same shirt. So if you guys look at my Instagram, I have this shirt in pink and I've already worn it. I got it in this teal color, and I got it in yellow. This one's like inside out or whatever because I already wore it. These were $3 each. So I think even cheaper than when I got the first one, which was pink. I think it wasn't even $3. So $3 each, yellow and teal. I just love these for summer. They're just cute to go out to the bar with, and it's like a little crop top that you're not really worried about ruining or anything like that, and it just brings like a fun pop of color to your outfit. I got a ton of sunglasses for $2 each. I don't even think I have them all in front of me, but they were all so cheap that I just went and got like a bunch of pairs that I thought were cute. I really like this pair, and something that I love about the kinds that have like these things in there is that they make it so that they push away and your eyelashes don't rub up against them. Even when I don't have fake lashes on, my eyelashes are so long that they rub up against every pair of sunglasses that I have pretty much. But when you get the kind that have those individual, almost like real glasses thingies, then these are like kind of teal-ish, but then your eyelashes won't rub up against them. Those were each like $2. I got a plain white tee. I tried to get it a little bit oversized. I also wore this and posted it in an Instagram picture. I think this was like $3 as well, so $6 and then extra 50% off. It's insane. I got this cute little thing. This was originally 2 for $12 or $7.90. This I got in a size small. I haven't worn it yet. This is just a little crop top. I mean, it's tiny, but it's stretchy, so hopefully it fits. I should have gotten medium, and it's just got like the little cap sleeves. I thought this would be super cute with a pair of jeans and like pink. I have a pair of pink wedges because it's got pink trim on the top and the bottom. Just a cute, cheap shirt that I can wear to the bar, because I like to wear kind of like cute, random little outfits to the bar, you know, nothing crazy. So that's also why I got this, which I also posted a picture in, and this is just a little tube top. This one I got in a size small. This was $3 as well, and it's just a cute gray little tube top. It's cute on, so easy to throw on to go to the bar. You can wear it with leggings, jeans, whatever, and it works. I don't know why I got this. This is like one of those little like corset thingies. It was only like $6, so I figured whatever. When I go shopping, what I usually like to do is get like the weirdest things I can get for the cheapest price, because that's what spices up your wardrobe. So this you just kind of put on over something and it like cups your boobs, I guess. I don't know. I could wear it with this turtleneck, to be honest with you. But it was cheap, and I was like, you know what? That adds versatility to my closet. So one of my favorite deals of the shopping trip are these crossbody bags. I got these for $6. These are like the best quality bags ever. They look nice. They just are nice. They've got the nice chain. I also got it in white, and they've got gold detailing. They have a zipper on the inside as well. There's a lot of room on the inside, and then there's the zipper, so it's safe. And $6 each. Like, to me, that is just completely unbelievable. So I got a white one and a black one, and so these I wear when I'm wearing more of a nice outfit. So when I go to the bar, usually I just wear my regular plain black crossbody. But if I'm wearing a nicer outfit out or a nicer outfit to the bar, I'll wear that. The last thing is not even... Wait. Oh, yeah, it is. So this is a pair of leggings. I actually got these in black as well. I don't know where they are, though. So these were originally like $16. It says Pop and Play collection. And I got them for like $11, I think. So you can see these are panel. I don't know if you can see the panel in them, but this panel right here is mesh, like, it's like mesh. I'll have to wear these in a picture because they'll look super cute on, but I got them in white, and I also got them in black. Again, instead of getting plain leggings, something with this little panel in there, it just makes your whole outfit look more unique, more different, and that's always what I'm going for. When I dress to like go out, I want it to be like something different about my outfit. I don't know what, but something different like that. So that is it for this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know that I didn't try stuff on. Here's another pair of sunglasses I got that I just found on the ground. And they were all like $2. I know I didn't try anything on this time. I have to try to get a setup going again for try on hauls because I have like nowhere to go do it now. But I hope you guys enjoy like the old fashioned haul. I like to sit here and show you guys clothes like back in the day before try on hauls were a thing. I still really love try on hauls and I'll still do them. I just need to like come up with a setup for it. But again, don't forget about Poshmark. I've listed like so much of my stuff on there, so go check it out. Always send me an offer. I'm always willing to bounce back and forth because like, you know, I'm selling the stuff anyways. I want to get rid of it. So, yeah, go download your Poshmarks, sell your stuff, buy my stuff, have a good time, buy each other's stuff. It's all Gucci. Please give this video a thumbs up for me. I know that I've been MIA, but I'm going to do my very best to get back into things. School, like where I work, ends in the end of June. So after that, I am all yours, and I'm going to film as much as I possibly can. Thank you guys so much for everything. Soon I'll do like an update video and all that good stuff, vlogs, all that good stuff. I love you guys. I'll be talking to you down below.